2, 1, action.
Hi, thank you for joining us today at San Diego Indian.
I'm Amir, Dead Folio, and this is
Sistiana, and we're happy to have you here today.
And so today we're going to do a little unboxing of our spring collection, Spring Fling.
Spring Fling. We like our flare here in San Diego. Go for it, Amir.
All right, so first up, I'm going to show you a trucker hat. Here we have this nice raised letter Indian chief hat, black, and
This hat is amazing and I love it very much.
it has a nice little curvy, special Indian scripty swoosh thingamabob. I don't know. I'm not.
Well, the nice thing about this, Amir, is that it has the netting on the back to keep your head cool. You know, it gets hot out here. Not a trucker hat, more along the baseball look.
Yeah.
Is this very flary red
bling thing.
Yeah, here we go. See, check that out, ladies. Ta-da! Don't we look special?
And it's red.
Yeah, we love red. Indian loves red.
Mm-hmm. This one I actually prefer. Look at that. Embossed black stitching by elves from Lake Minnetonka. These are hand stitched by 1,000-year-old craftsmen. I'm just playing. That's not true. I don't want to get sued. So, it's a nice little gunmetal gray or haze gray underway, as we say in the Navy. And it's a multi-fitted. I'm going to take off my special hats because it's raining. And look at that. Don't I look snazzy?
Very nice. That's
and if you want to be gangster, yeah.
All right.
Look at
Way to go. Speaking of a rainy day in San Diego, we're having one. We only have a handful every year. But on that rainy day, for you ladies, we have these really cute flannel shirts. They're 100% cotton. They have snaps, that's always nice. I really like the little detail on the side. It has a little leather tag on the side, and the fabric looks reversible. So when you warm up a little bit, you want to roll up your cuffs, you have the contrast on the cuff. It's really cute. I love this. I have this.
Because you know we're men. We like wood green and smells of cigars and
Leather.
Leather. But this is not leather. It's cotton. But there's a little leather piece on it. Now this takes you back to the forest and hills of the old island in the Emerald City. You have some blues to contrast with the green. Bring everything in with the white, ties it all in, chops up the color a little bit. So you don't look like a schmuck really. You kind of like, hey, I'm fancy, but I cut wood.
Okay, let's see. You want to do the next one since we're still in cold weather
Sure.
gear?
Because apparently, if it ever gets cold in California,
It does in the morning.
it's cold enough for you to wear this nice hoodie, zips up, pockets in the front that also zip, which I don't really see that much. It's actually pretty cool. They have this nice track line down the sleeve that says Indian motorcycle, twice.
Just in case you missed it the first time.
Exactly. Then it says Indian motorcycle right here, if you want to feel like you're part of the tribe. On the back, it's not too fancy. You know, you don't want to always want to have everything blown up your back. It's nice and smooth and soft. There's a light gray, fleece feeling, sporty type feeling, and it's also breathable, so you won't sweat too much.
Yep, it's a nice sweatshirt. You know, May gray, June gloom, cool mornings, right?
Exactly. Cup of
cool
coffee.
mornings. We have this really cute little top. It's 100% cotton. It's for those that don't want a whole lot of flair, just a little, here I am, see my Indian. And it's from the Spirit Lake, Iowa, which, as Amir was reminding me this morning, is where Indian is made.
Now, if you want to be dashing and daring and feel like you drink Mountain Dew all the time,
Okay.
get you one of these, FTR Racing. Look at that, with the checkered flag on the side, so people know you are about business because you always finish first.
What material is that?
This is polyester, 100%. Bam, right there with the netting. You feel like you're really racing down a flat track. Vroom, vroom, baby.
All right, this top is really cute. Love this top. It's 100% cotton for the girls with the flare. I'm all about the flare.
Little swishy swish.
It's cute. I love this top.
Great soft lines. Now, if that last jersey wasn't enough, to tell you that someone likes to race, check this out. Bam! Shapoing. Polyester also, but just in case you don't know you like racing, you gotta let everybody know it says motorcycle racing. Just in case people forget that you don't like racing.
The nice thing about this shirt is it has the holes for air.
And if you're bald like me and you don't have hair for the wind to go through, it'll go through your shirt. Feel free. Fast.
This is a cute little tank. It's a little more difficult to display, but it's simple on the front, but it has a little flare in the back. I don't know if you can see that, but it's cut with the flare in the back. So when you stand and do your thing, it's just a comfortable little tank. I don't know if it's meant really for riding, more just sporting your Indian wear.
And you can twirl like on Gone with the Wind or Sound of Music. The hills are alive. Oh wait, I thought we were done with racing stuff.
Alas.
Alas. Now this right here is actually for a nod to the Indian Chief that came out, the 2022 Indian Chief. It's very mesh, it's red like the Indian colors. It also has little tiny holes in it, but it's a little bit more, you know, hey, just want to have a beer, just want to chill out, smoke a cigar. That's all I want to do. I don't really want to be zipping around town all the time. I want to look a little presentable when I meet the parents, you know, so here you go. It's my turn for more goodies.
Of course.
Keeping up with that racing montage. The ever so pleasant wall of death. Now, just to let people know, the wall of death is this big cube where you go in a circle and you just go. For some reason, that's fun. It's like NASCAR, but like 10 times smaller, and it's caged up. But hey, it's a cool shirt too.
Here's a nice little plaque. Indian up your man cave. I happen to like this plaque.
I like that.
Yeah, the old-fashioned. I don't know what do you call those?
It's like a sepia
vintage,
or something.
Vintage look. I like this.
You don't want it too bright, you know, because you know you're working on your bike. You don't want all that grease to show up on there.
And it has the little hanging thing on there too, so you can, you know, you don't have to poke holes in it.
She's practical. I'm just like, hey, good stuff.
Here's a lady's shirt, just a simple, but also has the flare in the back, so it keeps you breezy in the back. But simple decor in the front, little bling. Let's do that so you can see the bling. I'm snagged on the bling.
You get caught up in the bling.
You get caught up in the bling and you lose the direction. Okay, Amir, it's your turn.
It says that I'm all about business, but I can still have fun. Apparently, us guys like racing. Indian motorcycle racing. Indian motorcycle racing. Right on the lines of the arm so that people can read it as you rev right past them in traffic. So
it goes with the new plaque, the Bonneville Salt Flats when Indian broke the speed record. So there you go.
And
goes with the racing.
There's a great movie about that called The Fastest Little Indian.
Yes, it's a great movie. If you haven't seen it, check it out.
Oh yeah, my red shirt. It's so red, it calls for passion. And it's embroidered so that you can say I have style, but I can get my hands dirty. And then when you touch it, it feels just like a nice sensual finger feel. I don't know how do you call it, ASMR or something. It's one of the newfangled things that they got. But anyway, the red is great. The tag is great. Nothing on the back. And the side, just so you can let people know that you're official, genuine brand. Indian motorcycle.
All right, ladies. I'm caught up in the. Here we go. This is a cute little shirt, brand new, Indian Chief. It looks cut small, so think twice on this. You might want to try this on before you bring it home. But it is kind of a cute little stripe on the side for a little bit of modest flair. For all those who drive chieftains, there you go.
Here's another one. This one actually feels a little bit different. It's cotton, but it's a more sporty t-shirty cotton, if that makes sense. But this has the vintage crackle print, as I call it. I made that up, patent pending. Indian motorcycle, finest quality, premium build.
There you go. There you go. Says it all on the shirt. Here's a cute little tank. Simple, keeping it simple, minimal flair. Sometimes a little goes a long way. And Indian doesn't, continues to deliver, even in a simple little tank. It's 100% cotton. It's going to be great for a San Diego summer.
Especially when you get in a little beer with a chicken fry. Pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio's up.
That's true. That would look really cute with a pair of jeans.
Now this one here is an ode to the FTR flat track racing, hence the little stripes on it, because that is a color they use on their helmets and on their bikes. It's gray, has blue piping. I learned that word watching fashion channels and stuff. Piping.
Piping.
And just like piping, this shirt is hot.
Okay. Another little
stuff, huh?
little tank, yeah, a lot of stuff. This is a little bit different fabric. It's cotton. It has the I don't know what you call this, but it has that breathable, lightweight. Amir, what do you call this? You're the fashion person.
Call this angel feathers.
Okay, we're gonna go with that. I like that. It has the angel feather kind of fabric look about it. So it's gonna be cool, breezy, easy to wear, look really cute with a pair of jeans.
Yes.
I like bell bottoms personally, so that would be really cute with a pair of bell bottom jeans.
This is another one of the new Indian Chief t-shirt. Well, this one is actually a long sleeve shirt. It's just like the one that you saw from Sistiana, only bigger. Just guys,
It's like the male version to the female shirt.
Potatoes,
there you go.
Of course,
With the his and
you have
hers.
the little swooshy eye, circle, all that nice stuff. It's cut off with the black sleeves. On the back, you will see the 116, which is the cubic inches of the motor. They also come in the 111, but not on the shirt.
Okay, simple. Another T again with the 116. I think we saw this earlier in gray. Comes in black, gray, the feather kind of color, which the feathery. Let's see what else. Oh, this is
nice.
really cute. Look at this. This is so sweet. Oh yeah, because me and my flare love it. Has a little design in the front neck, but it also has some bling in the back. In red, short sleeves. It's got the female cut, so it's going to fit nice. It won't have that boxy feel. All right, so as usual, oh look, this looks like the girl version to the last shirt we just saw from Amir. Yeah, female.
With the V cut?
With the V cut and the Indian logo on the arm. Oh, this is beautiful fabric. Oh, this is nice.
It is.
Yeah.
That's that angel feather.
Yeah, this is really cute. I don't know if you can see this up close, but up close, this is really cute. Very comfortable. Love the fabric. And usually, women, we have, oh, this was at the bottom. We have this really cute sweatshirt. This looks like the
other one.
woman's cut to the men's we were just looking at earlier for that May gray. There we go. It's dark. It's a darker gray. I think the men's was a lighter color. Very nice.
So right here we have a denim outer shell to this vest. On the inside, we have the hairs from a mountain rabbit of Lanoka. Painstakingly taken in a very humane manner. They get massaged, shampooed, conditioned.
I'll take a shampoo.
This is one of my personal favorites, denim vest. This is more for the spring and summer. It has a mesh inside of it. That way you don't get sticky, you don't feel the denim on your skin as you ride. It actually keeps some of the air in there. It helps the air to flow throughout your vest. And it flaps a little bit, so you get to hear that pap, 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 pap as you're speeding down the highway.
Has inside pocket that
Inside
zips.
pockets. Inside pouch. Top pocket, which are held closed by magnets. Because science.
That's pretty clever.
Side pockets that zip, because you know when you're riding your motorcycle, things can fly out sometimes. So
It's a nice vest.
thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. And the brother to that vest is this nice motorcycle jacket with padding inside of it. Keep your shoulders safe, your elbows safe. This nice Indian flap that goes under your zipper so that you don't catch it on anything, except for your awesomeness. There's also a pocket right here so you can put a protective vest pad in there.
Well, that's nice.
You know, because we're always safe when we ride our bikes.
Yeah, safety first, always safety first. So, the other thing we have new are these beautiful deerskin gloves. I have to tell you, these are so soft and so comfortable. They do come in a variety of colors. This is the light tan. There's also brown, and I believe there's black. These are ladies, so they have a nice feel to them. They're easy, they're flexible, but they're just so soft. And they have, of course, Indian, because Indian's proud of Indian.
Smooth like butter.
Absolutely.
When it's hot and you're just chilling out with your friends around your Indian bikes, pop this out. It's a bottle opener.
I have no idea what this is, but I still think it's really cute. Is it a keychain?
It's a keychain.
I would just use it because it's just cool. I mean, you know, put it on your jacket and use it as one of those zipper thingies.
Yeah.
It's very lightweight. I have to say, it's very beautiful leather. It's very soft. I don't know, it's just kind of cool
and
looking.
the cool thing about it is you can actually pop that off and loop it around your belt.
Nice.
Because safety first, we don't want your keys getting lost.
There you go. Let's see, what other little treats do we have back here?
We do have this last thing.
Yes, there we go.
I'm gonna get up for this one. This right here is a belt that clicks with a bottle opener on it. Look at that. Dazzle your friends. Hey, I don't have a bottle opener. Whack, click, bam.
Because that's what everybody needs. Okay, we have thought of it all now. I think we've covered most of our new merchandise,
Yes,
right?
we
And
basically had all those covered.
we're located here in San Diego on Claremont Mesa Boulevard. We are open 5 days a week from 9 to 6. We would love to see you. Woohoo!